Come test drive the 2014 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, traction control, heated seats, navigation system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.